Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fingers with a new video. In this video I'll demonstrate how to make a data bar chart as well as a dynamic chart inside this video. Number 1. Select the cells you want to apply the data bars. You can select a single cell, a range of cells, a table, or the entire sheet. In the ribbon at the top of the Excel window, click the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Formatting menu, choose Data Bars, and then choose the style you prefer. You can pick a gradient or solid fill, and the color of your choice. By default, the cell that holds the minimum value 0, if there are no negative values, has no data bar, and the cell that holds the maximum value 95 has a data bar that fills the entire cell. All other cells are filled proportionally. If you have a sheet that contains confidential information, such as employee salaries, you can hide the values of those cells by using a custom number format. Select the cells. On the Format menu, click Cells, and then click the Number tab. Under Category, click Custom. In the Type box, type, that is, 3 semicolons in a row, and then click OK. Dynamic chart range is a data range that updates automatically when you change the data source. This dynamic range is then used as the source data in a chart. As the data changes, the dynamic range updates instantly, which leads to an update in the chart. To insert a chart, press Ctrl+1. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.